Auditioning for the Stage, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language and theater world: auditioning for a play. Whether you're a budding actor or simply curious about how the process works, this video will break down what it means to audition for a play, offering insights and tips to understand this exciting process. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind the curtains. Auditioning for a play refers to the process where actors perform in front of a director or a casting panel to showcase their talents and suitability for a role in a theatrical production. It's essentially a job interview for actors, where they demonstrate their acting skills, vocal abilities, and sometimes dance or movement skills, depending on the play's requirements. This step is crucial in the casting process, as it helps directors find the perfect fit for each character in the play. The audition process can vary from one production to another but typically involves several key steps. 1. Preparation. Actors prepare a monologue or select scenes, often referred to as sides, provided by the casting team. Preparation also involves researching the play and character. 2. The audition. Actors perform their prepared piece in front of the casting team. This may include reading lines with other actors, performing a monologue, or showcasing other relevant skills. 3. Callbacks. A callback occurs when an actor is asked to return for another round of auditions. This is a positive sign, indicating interest from the casting team. Callbacks often involve more detailed performance requirements and may require actors to read additional scenes. 4. Casting decision. After callbacks, the casting team makes their final decisions and offers roles to selected actors. 1. Research. Understand the play and character you're auditioning for. This knowledge will inform your performance. 2. Practice. Rehearse your monologue or scenes thoroughly. Being well prepared will boost your confidence. 3. Be punctual. Arriving on time shows professionalism and respect for the casting team's schedule. 4. Be yourself. While showcasing your ability to embody a character is essential, it's also important to let your personality shine through. Directors are looking for unique individuals to bring characters to life. 5. Handle rejection gracefully. Not every audition will result in a role. Learning to accept rejection professionally and using it as a learning experience is vital for growth in the acting field. Auditioning for a play is an exciting, albeit sometimes nerve-wracking, part of an actor's career. It's an opportunity to showcase talent, learn, and grow. Whether you're stepping onto the stage for the first time or looking to refine your audition techniques, remember that each audition is a step forward in your acting journey. We hope this video has illuminated the process of auditioning for a play and inspired you to pursue your passions in the theater. Break a leg, and see you on the stage.